will AI replace human athletes? Imagine the Olympics in 2050, but instead of humans, AI-powered athletes dominate the field and breaking every record. Could AI really replace human athletes? Hey there! Before we get started, a quick favor. If you enjoy this kind of content, be sure to subscribe to Incognito Future Lab. And while you're at it, drop a comment with a topic you'd like us to cover. Now, let's get into it. AI in sports today. AI is already transforming sports today. Coaches analyze performance, predict injuries, and strategize with AI, and even create winning strategies. Robots are even being tested in football and basketball, and even competitive running. AI, athletes versus humans. AI, athletes could surpass humans in speed, strength, and precision. But would it still feel like sports if machines always win? Or would we see new leagues where humans face off against AI? The debate. Some believe AI will spark innovation, while others fear it could erase the human spirit of competition. Will fans cheer for records or the human struggle behind them? The future of sports could be a blend of humans and AI. Would you watch AI versus human competitions? Faster, stronger, smarter? Comment below and subscribe to Incognito Future Lab for more insights.